Assalamu alaikum, Aiwan, Vanakkam. To my young brothers and sisters. Guys, for all of you who have just finished your O-levels, for all of you who are in your A-levels and just finished your exams, you guys are the future. Finishing exams, sure thing, take a break. Take a step back, enjoy the time. But make sure that you're doing something with yourself. Don't just let the time go. Make sure that you're upskilling yourself in whatever way possible. Read expansively. Enhance your knowledge. You guys are a part of the future. You guys need to shape this world now. There is enough to be done. Career-wise, trust me, 10 years from now, the largest companies which we know today is not going to be there as the largest anymore. 10 years from now, the topmost companies might be the companies we haven't even heard right now, and in industries which are far different to what is now mainstream. So what I'm trying to say here, in opportunity, there are different areas opening up. The environment is going to be key, absolutely key. Energy and renewable energy is going to be absolutely essential. We need all of this to lead a good, safe, comfortable life in the future. We need activists. We need people thinking differently. We need awesome innovators, entrepreneurs. Guys, research, read, open your minds. Try and fail, that's fine. Fail forward, learn from the experience, get up again, try something new, fail again. You will, and that's life. Get up again, try something new. All of this will keep giving you more and more experience. Learn from that, gain from that, and then expand further. Link up with people. Link up with people who have similar interests in your area. Read expansively, but always work towards achieving a positive difference. Add value. Whatever you do, have that attitude of adding value. You guys are the future. Keep that mentality. Don't just say, oh, what can I do about it? No, you can. You definitely can. So always have that mentality, okay, in my own way, what is the difference I can do? And then start small. Don't think huge and big. Yes, dream big, of course. Begin with the end in mind. Like the late Dr. Stephen R. Covey says, see it, dream it, feel it, smell it, but start small, step by step, and then you develop it. It will form, it will set in place. But you need to progress, and consistency is absolutely key. My dear youth, we need you. You need to work for this planet. The planet needs you. Let's do the best we can to be the best we can be. Bring out the best in ourselves. Educate ourselves and live that life of beautiful balance. And make sure you add value to your fellow brothers and sisters to live in a world that is amazing, because we do have an amazing world to live in. I urge you to learn and grow and to expand yourself. All the very best to you. Assalamu alaikum.